Hey everyone, my name is Dalia and welcome to my English class. I hope you all are fine. I'm also great. So today I'm going to emphasize on an amazing topic, that is the use of adverbs of time. Okay, how can you use adverbs of time in a sentence at the right place? Okay, so the discussion is going to be really very informative. So if you are desirous of being quite efficient in English language, then this class is for you. Okay, so now without wasting a time, let's dive in the topic. Okay, so now look at the board. In today's class, I am going to discuss the use of adverbs of time. Okay, so it is really very important. Please watch the video and listen to me very attentively. So now let's get started. First, we have to understand how can we identify adverbs of time, right? So always remember, when the question will come with the WH word when, right? What I have told, let me repeat once again. When the question will come with the WH word when, that is called adverbs of time. Clear? Let me give you some example to make you understand properly. Okay? Just look at the sentence. I have written, I met him yesterday, right? I met him yesterday, and I am sure it is not very difficult to understand that it is affirmative sentence and simple past tense, right? But now the question is, which is adverb here? Obviously yesterday. Yesterday is an adverb, right? But what kind of adverb it is? It is adverbs of time. Clear? But now the question is, how can it identify that adverbs of time is mentioned here? So listen to me carefully. Just try to make the sentence as an interrogative form with the WH word. Okay. So if we have to make the sentence as an interrogative form with the WH word, so what kind of question will come? Or what will be the WH format of question? Okay. So the question will be, when did you meet him? Right? When did you meet him? And the answer will be, I met him yesterday. Right? I met him yesterday. It means the WH word when is coming here. Right? So that's why yesterday is the adverbs of time. Clear? But now, what is the rule of using adverbs of time? So usually the rule of adverbs of time is, always remember, adverbs of time will always come after the main verb, right? Let me repeat once again. Adverbs of time always will come after the main verb. But here something different is happening, right? Here I have used yesterday after the object, right? So normally adverbs of time will always come after the main verb, but always remember, if there is mentioned any object in a sentence, then adverbs of time will come after the object. Clear? And in this sentence, I is subject, right? Meeting, main verb, right? And him is object, right? So that's why I have used yesterday or adverbs of time after the object. Clear? Now, there are another words or adverbs are also included in adverbs of time, and these are late and immediately. What is the rule of using these two adverbs in a sentence? So the rule is, late and immediately always come at the end of the clause or at the end of the sentence. Okay? Always remember, the adverbs late and immediately always come at the end of the clause or at the end of the sentence. Okay? For example, I am late. Okay? Today I am late. He is late. Don't do late. Okay? I shall go immediately. I shall call my father immediately. I have to go to my home immediately. Clear? So, late and immediately always come at the end of the clause or at the end of the sentence. Clear? Okay, so I hope you all have got my points very clearly, and now it is my suggestion to all learners of English language, please do work hard. If you really want to become efficient, confident and smart in English language, then it is very important to do work hard. Clear? So learn well, study well and keep growing in your life. Okay? If the video or the class is helpful, please don't forget to share your feedback and please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Okay? I have to stop here and I will be back very soon. Bye bye.